How can agriculture adapt to climate change? First of all, stop old thinking. Stop that how we used to do it thinking. Agriculture needs to be adapted more and more to the extreme weather conditions. We cannot always use the same trends, same practices which were connected to the previous weather conditions. We need to adapt to the extreme weather conditions. That's how we used to do way of thinking is not always working anymore. The old practice not always giving adequate answer for the actual challenges. What do we need? Fact-based actions, fact-based decisions. The actual, fast, inside field information, like information about our soil, the nutrient management state of the soil, or the water content of the soil, has increased importance. We need to understand the processes in our soil. Let the soil do the talking. That's why the AgroCares scanner is a perfect tool to get fast information about our soil. Because for adequate answers, we need actual experiences, actual measurements for making fact-based decisions. And then, if we have information, actual information, then we can change farming practices. A part of the potential yield losses can be offset by different farming practices. For example, use the right fertilizers based on soil testing. Adjust sowing dates to temperature and rainfall patterns. Use crop varieties better suited to the new conditions.